Hello everyone, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, do you take the wrong coffee? Today, my coffee is not my coffee. I go to the cafe, I stand, I wait, I order, I say, 1 coffee please. Simple, easy.
Good. You order, you wait. Normal.
I wait, I see cups, many cups. I see 1 cup. I take it. I go, okay.
You take, fast, not check, careful.
I sit. I drink 1 sip. I drink again. Not same. Strange taste. Not mine?
Wait, not your coffee? Maybe wrong. Check.
I look at cup. I read name. Not Jane. Oh no! Not my coffee! I take. I drink. Wrong! I sit. I drink 1 sip. I drink again. 1 more. Again. Again. I say, strange, but I drink.
You drink, again, not stop. Why?
I don't know. I drink again. 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 I look at cup. I read, not my name. Oh, not my coffee. But I drink many times. Oh no!
Too late. You drink a lot. Too much.
Yes! I say, sorry, but still drink.
Stop. No more. Don't drink. Enough.
Okay. Last sip. Small sip. Done. Now stop. I stop. No more drink. I look. Who? I look left. I look right. Many people. Who coffee?
Good question. Who takes? Who drinks? Find.
I see a cup. Same color. Wait. I see you. You sit. You drink. My coffee?
Maybe. I take. I drink. Good coffee. I look at cup. I read, Jane. Oh,
Yes. My coffee. You drink. I drink. Switch!
switch coffee. You take mine. I take yours. Same mistake.
Yes. I say, sorry. You say, sorry.
Yes. Sorry. But funny. Okay.
Yes. You drink mine. I drink yours. Both drink. No problem. I look at cup. Empty. No coffee. Oh, I look at you. Your cup. Empty too. Oh no.
Too late. No coffee. All drink. Finish.
Yes. My coffee, your coffee. Both gone. No more.
Switch. Drink. Finish. All.
I say, your coffee. Sweet. Good. My coffee. Strong. Different.
Yes. Your coffee. Strong. Mine. Sweet.
I drink sweet. Not my style, but good. Okay.
I drink strong. Very strong. Wow. Too strong.
Yes. Your coffee? Sweet. My coffee? Strong. Different. But good. Both good. Nice. Okay. Again. New coffee. I go, order. I say, 1 coffee, please. Again. Simple.
Me too. 1 coffee, please. Again. New start.
We wait. We see cups. Many cups. Careful now. I see 1 cup. I stop. I look. Name. I read, Jane. Yes, my coffee.
I see my cup. I read Thomas. Correct.
I take. I look. Name. Again. Check name first. Then take. Then drink. Good.
Yes. Check name first. No problem.
I drink my coffee. Good taste. Perfect.
I drink my coffee. Good. No mistake.
Okay, your turn. Listen and repeat. Ready?
Ready. Let's go. Together.
Check. Take. Drink. Easy.
Check. Take. Drink. Good.
Again. One more time. Check. Take. Drink. Again.
Check. Take. Drink. Simple.
Fast now. Check, take, drink. Check, take, drink. Fast.
Good. Slow. Check. Take. Drink. Perfect.
Yes. Check name. Then take. Then drink. Good. Wait, I see cups. 2 cups. Same? I look closer. Jane. Jan. Oh.
Same name. Almost same. Jane. Jan. Tricky.
Yes. I look again. Jane. Jan. Which? I say, my coffee? I check. Careful.
Let's play. Game time. Find right. Go. I say, find Jane, not Jan. Jane.
Okay. I look. Slow. Read. Jane. Yes, this.
Good. Correct. Jane. Right. Next. Find Thomas, not Tom. Thomas.
Okay. I look. Tom. No. Thomas. Yes, this.
Good game. Check. Read. Find.
Yes. Check. Take. Drink. No mistake. Wait, more cups. I see names. Many names. Oh no. I read. John. Joan. Jane?
Too many. John. Joan. Jane. Same. Same. Confusing.
Yes. I look again. John. No. Joan. No. Not mine. Jane. Yes. My coffee.
Good. Read slow. Find right. Easy.
But wait. I look again. John. Joan. Jane. Same. Same. Same.
Again. Same names. Same problem. Again.
Yes! I say, slow, slow. I read, careful. Jane. Only Jane. My name. Correct. Okay, small lesson. Very simple. Listen. Easy. Read slow. Not fast. Slow. Good.
Yes. Slow. Read. Correct.
Fast. Wrong. Mistake. Oh no. Slow. Read. Check. Right.
Yes. Fast. Problem. Slow. Good. Easy.
So remember, read slow. Not fast. Good. Check. Take. Drink. Done. Okay, last thing. Small rule. Very simple. Listen. Read slow. Not fast. Slow. Good.
Yes. Read slow. No mistake. Easy.
Fast. Mistake. Wrong. Oh no. Slow. Correct. Right. Good.
Simple rule. Read slow. No mistake. Perfect.
If you like this video, please like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And write in the comments, read slow. No mistake.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.